the fans really interacting with her, because it's something people really want to know. There are a lot of people suffering, a lot of people giving caregiving kind of thing. That is one of the options. Second is I was seeing a lot of people saying stickers. So Thumbs Up can really say that I'm sponsoring the stickers. So let's say I'm doing an event, let's say I'm doing a spell bee or any of the event, or let's say I'm sponsoring Rajasthan Royals or anything. So I can actually make the people over there, and I say if you send something for the fans, for the same amount I can give money to the charity. So I can do multiple things with the live thing. And options are you can do sky's the limit, because you can talk about your product. You can see, for example, a beauty company can say the start to really utilize the product, how to really utilize the product, or else you can call makeup artists to really show that how to use the products for a makeup product. So there are a lot of things like a cooking, so you can get a chef and utilize the olive oil to really cook.
Super.
I don't think there is any limit to it, but in the sense how it will be consistent.
Correct.
See, like she said, or the soaking comes, there is a timing has to be there.
So appointment viewing
you have to build. Or else what will happen, it will be just testing some unstructured kind of thing. Sometimes you'll get 30 people, 50 people. See, why we do TV advertisement at one go, you reach millions of people.
Correct.
So when you do digital, it is someone is really getting the thing. So what your brand, what you need to see, whether you get for a branded content, or you go for a IP related kind of thing, or you go for sponsorship. There are multiple options. Whatever works for you, for your brand, your product, that point of time, you can actually take.
Perfect. So I think Shreyas, we've got tons of ideas here. Shreyas, Anurag, so jump on to Mr. Tripathi and Devender. And the beauty of digital is everything is measurable. एक चीज and FTS score में actually वो तब्दील हो रहा है. Everything is measurable. कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, कितने likes दे रहे हैं, उसके basis के ऊपर आपका film talent का score बन रहा है. And
in talent leagues, one brand can decide that I will give the sponsor my product that day, that the winner. You can every day Kellogg's can come one day so you can actually sell that.
Great idea. So let's have that conversation right now over a few days. All right, the platform's open for you.